going up the hill to Raidillon.
Yeah, I wonder whether they've built it up at all in that compression, just to make the compression a little bit smoother, because there was where we had flooding last year, last April.
Washed a lot of the track away.
Washed the bottom of the track away, and it started to collapse. So we're not to see it from that camera angle, but they may have just filled it in just a little bit. I'm sure that Speaker's Corner, as you were mentioning earlier, is slightly different. It seems to have more of a kink on the exit for these guys than previously.
Is that just because there's a visual line on the inside with that, and it's just tricking us?
Yeah.
And it's an optical illusion because there's that sweeping left-hander now on the inside of it. I'm not sure, and we haven't had a chance to have a drive round and have a look at it, but there's no doubt that up the hill is much smoother, and up the hill to Raidillon. However, standing outside yesterday with the single seaters going round, they are still scraping the bottoms of the cars going up the hill, and you can hear them even from behind our commentary box, which is at the top end. Doing some testing, being in the customer's hands early next year. So Jochen Krimbach for WTN from Bodar by Kooten Racing. Baz Kooten with the Bentley Continental. Great to see that again here. Bob Herbert in second, 2:21 and 2:24, then a 2:26 for Jutta Racing, Andreas Gelsinis, and then the Santalok Racing, Oliver Esteves. Those two times were put in earlier on. Car Collection makes it 3 Audis in a row. Jutta, Santalok and Car Collection. Dr. Johannes Kerkhoff in the number 34 car, 2:27. So some big gaps, but it's a long track here, Ben, basically.
And we have a large variety as well of different levels of experience and different pace from our drivers. There is no specific group that these all have to be in, so some of them may semi-pro, pros, others might be the amateur drivers. Certainly Jochen Krimbach is the AM in that Ferrari, so to have the pole position at the moment is great work for Jochen. He shares the car with George and Leonard Weiss. Leonard being the semi-pro in that car. They've also got a pro in Daniel Kelvitz. So imagine that Ferrari is only going to go faster. Oh, wow. We've got a car parked up on the exit of chicane,
which we can't quite see from here. Picked up on the overhead drone camera, which is a great addition.
That's the Vortex.